Hi, Group 1. Here are your spelling words for your test. Number 1 is flower. I saw a flower under the tree. Flower. Number 2 is flag. Our classroom flag is on the brick wall. Flag. Number 3 is clock. Please check the clock to see what time it is. Clock. Number 4 is cloud. I could only see one cloud in the sky. Cloud. Number 5 is crab. At the restaurant, I ordered crab for dinner. Crab. Number 6 is crack. I noticed a crack in my cereal bowl. Crack. Number 7 is frown. My friend looked upset. I could see a frown. Frown. Number 8 is frame. Can you hang this picture frame on the wall? Frame. Your next word is fruit. I had fruit for my snack. Fruit. Number 10 is fly. I heard a buzzing noise by my ear. It turns out it was a fly. Fly. Number 11 is frozen. It was so cold outside, my fingers feel frozen. Frozen.